Welcome to another episode on Rover Drive. Today I'll be looking at changing out the struts on the upper tailgate because mine are getting lazy and I want to put on the Pro Speed ladder. But there is an issue which I have to fix first, so stay tuned for this episode. So it's easy to pull off the struts. Just take the metal clip out and then pull it off. Yeah, so you see the metal clip comes up. No. Pull it out. Be sure to have something to hold it up. Like so. Now you can see how loose it is. So that's the problem I need to fix first, and then we will see. So I seen someone drill a hole further down, then get a nut up here if they have lost the nut on the rear. So I'm not sure how I'm going to fix this. If I'm either try and glue it up and then try and tighten it, but I think it's not going to hold it like if you use super glue. The other thing is go from behind, so I'm going to open up this and see if I get to it from behind. Yeah, so that's going to do that first. Hopefully it's going to be some hole there which I can access the nut from behind. So you have the back side, which you have the wire for a speaker. It's off. Okay, so this is the back side, and it's all the way up here. So yeah, it's not going to be an easy solution, sadly. So I took a washer and then cut it out to fit the M8 bolt. Hopefully I'm gonna knock it on, and that's gonna be enough to hold it, because getting it from the back was impossible. So I'm just gonna try and see if this is gonna work. Okay, so that's probably as good as I'm going to get it. So that's going to be my solution for now, I think, for this fix. Paint. Yeah, let's try and see if it works. New struts, but we can do the old struts first, just to show you the difference. Okay, so we can do. Okay, strut test with the original, which has been on there for I don't know how long. Let's see. So we go all the way up. A bit slow in the start. Yeah, original. Let's do the change and then see the difference. Okay, so that's one new. Let's do the other one. These are the metal that you pull out. So these are clips there. Let's see. like so. And the same on the other side. Okay, that's 2 new struts. I can feel it. I need to use a bit more force. Let's see. Yeah. Works well. The loose mounting point here isn't fixed, but it's gonna be what I'm going to do for now. So it's working. Maybe glue it up or something just to hold it in place. Yeah, that's gonna do for now. Yeah. Okay, strut test with the original, which has been on there for I don't know how long. Let's see. Yeah. So they go all the way up. Yeah, it's faster. Yes, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Remember to hit that like button if you did. It helps me out a lot. And as always, check out Patreon if you want to support me creating more videos like this. And yeah, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.